Okay, to get started, I added this video clip to my timeline, and I'd like to pixelate this girl's face. Let's begin by going over to the Effects panel and type Mosaic into the search box. Under Stylized, you'll see this mosaic effect. Drag it onto your clip on the timeline. Next, make sure your clip is selected on the timeline, and then go over to Effect Controls where you'll see the mosaic effect. Since we don't want to pixelate the entire video, select this circle to create a new mask for the face. Now before you do anything with a mask, make sure your playhead is positioned at the start of the clip. Then in the preview, position the mask over the face and use the handles to resize it so that it's only slightly larger than the face. You may need to move your mask around a bit to make sure it's right over the face, since the pixelation can block your view. Once your circle's positioned over the face, click the Mask Pass Play button to track it. It'll probably take a while to finish tracking, so I'll just speed through mine. Okay, this is tracking her face really well, but the pixelation squares are way too big. To fix this, increase a horizontal box and the vertical blocks amounts to your liking. I'll just have both of mine do 100 to keep things simple. Now that's looking a lot better. One last thing you might want to do is increase a mask feather slightly so your circle fades out, making its edges less harsh. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.